broccoli. Okay, the ingredients for our mac and cheese will be a pound of shells or any other small pasta, 6 ounces of cheese that you grate, a cup of milk, 1 whole stick of butter cut into 8 pieces, always salt and pepper, chicken, and broccoli. I got the steamable kind because it's way easier than broiling broccoli. You also need a big pot and a small pot and either a strainer or the kind of pot that you can strain in the pot itself. That's all we need. Getting all my anger out. All right, now bring your pasta water to a boil. You always want to salt your pasta water, and for a whole pot and a pound, it's probably going to be about a 1/4 cup of salt, which this looks like a lot, but it needs to be a lot, and that is the way you get seasoned pasta. If you don't season your pasta while it's boiling, it won't taste like anything, and then your food won't be good. So always salt your pasta water. All right, first step, get some olive oil in your pan for cooking our chicken. You put the olive oil in the pan after it has gotten a little bit hot, and we are just going to pop our chicken breast in here. Then you get those cooked down. You put some pepper on the other side, and we'll get those nice and done. All right, we got the chicken breasts browned. They are cooked to 165 degrees internal temperature, and we're gonna let them sit and cut them into cubes after they're cool. All right, the water is finally boiling for our pasta. I'm gonna give it a stir so they don't stick. And we're gonna cook them until they're al dente, which is just under all the way cooked. All right, our heavy bottom Dutch oven pot is warm. We're gonna put 2 of the tablespoons of butter. And we're gonna get it nice and melty. And then we are going to add a bunch of fresh cracked pepper. All right. Now we are adding a cup of milk to stop the butter from getting too brown. We're gonna whisk it. That's pepper and butter and a cup of milk. And we're going to add a tablespoon of butter, one at a time, to where each tablespoon has melted before we add another one. And then we're gonna mix it. So there's one, and we're gonna stir, and that is gonna help the sauce to emulsify, and it's gonna be buttery and creamy for when we mix in our pasta. All right, our butter is all melted into the milk with pepper. We are draining the pasta, and we're dumping the pasta into the butter mixture. We also saved about 2 cups, actually more, of pasta water, because this is going to help with our sauce. Now we're going to give this a good stir, and we're getting the pasta all coated in our liquid. Once it's all nice and coated, we're going to add about 1/3 of our cheese mixture, just grated cheese. And there we go. It's gonna get all cheesy melty. Is that about 1/3? That's gonna melt, and then we're gonna add the pasta water and then cheese, and then pasta water and cheese, and everything's gonna get all melted together and silky smooth. We got it nice and cheesy. We're adding our broccoli. Ooh, there's some big chunks in there. That's okay. And see our deliciously, perfectly cooked chicken. Diced it up. Add that. With some juices, that's fine. Don't add flavor, some chicken resting juice. Yum. Mix it all up. All right, now this is our broccoli chicken mac and cheese, and it turned out beautifully, deliciously. I like mine with some hot sauce. Valentina is my favorite. We just give a little drizzle, and I'll give it a taste. Whoop. A little piece of everything. Mmm. Delicious as usual. Thanks for watching.
Smell it.